Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. My name is MD Infatakondo. I am a professional front and back end web developer with strong knowledge. I am started learning web design by LADP. It is a government project in the socio-economic condition of Bangladesh. This is an important project. The management role of LADP is very perfect. Um, I learned here HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP to HTML, WordPress, responsive website. The mentors of LEDP are very friendly. They run this project by an assignment the way. The hard and fast rule of the government. Third method of training is very easy. They are very careful, maintaining discipline. Their skillness of web design is unbounded in a words. I like to be independent, so my future plan is to be a freelancer as an web designer. At the age of globalization, the profession of a designer is very smart and attractive. It is also very demandable. It is very helpful to earn foreign money, which can be enrich our gross national products.